Hello viewer, let's see how to fix YouTube comment box unavailable problem on mobile app. Step 1. Tap and hold on YouTube app. Click on I button. Scroll down and tap on YouTube storage. From the lower corner, clear cache data from YouTube app. Now go back. Step 2. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Tap on search icon. Now search YouTube app. Go to YouTube app. From here, update YouTube app. So follow these two steps to fix YouTube comment box unavailable problem on YouTube mobile app.